Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobit Thomas. If you are a blogger or someone who's looking to create a website without much investment and time, then I would like to suggest blogger.com. Blogger.com is a platform to create websites in an easy way. Blogger.com honored by Google. So the advantages of Blogger compared with some other website, hosting website is like that. It's very simple to get started, easy to use and manage. So it's hosted at Google. So there is you need to not worry about hosting issues and software updates. There are so many limitations too. Maybe if you are looking to a commercial websites or too many pages. So compared to other hosting platforms, Wix or WordPress.com, you may not see that much options in Blogger.com, but you can use this platform to create simple blog websites without much spending much money. According to Blogger, is a way to create a unique and beautiful blog is easy and free. Okay, that's advantages of the websites. According to Blogger, we can choose the product, choose the design. Also, we will get the a free domain, means at blogspot.com, or we can buy a domain and we can connect it to blogger.com. So there is option to earn money. You can associate with AdSense program. So these are the basic things. So we can create a blog here. So you need a Gmail ID to log in with blogger.com. So log into Blogger. In top corner, you can create a new blog there. You can put the name there. So this is very simple platform. So we can go through the theme options there. Click on the left border theme. There is some theme options available with the website. So we can select a theme there. So there is option to apply. Then it's automatically apply this theme into your blog websites. And imagine if you already have another theme, then if you need to, you can change a theme at any time. There are top corner, there is a view blog options there. You can see the your design there. And about there is a settings. You can the title, you can change the title. Then you can add descriptions, and you can go add a Google Analytic ID to track how many people is visiting your blog or something like that. Then blog address. Here there is an option. Right now you will get an your name dot blogspot.com will be the your blog's address. But if you would like to create a custom domain like www.yourdomainname.com, then there is an option to custom domain option there. Click there. Then two options. One is if you have already purchased a domain from some domain registrar, then you can enter your domain there. So for example, agree earth. So agree earth is already registered domain honored by us, so we just put agree earth there, then put save. Then okay, so you have to put www agree@the.com there, then save. Then what we have to do is like that. we have to change the name. C We have to add a C name with this hosting account. Then it will work out. Other option is, if you don't have a website domain name, then you can purchase a domain from here itself. So it will guide you into Google domains. You can buy a domain there. So it's around $10 to register a domain from there. Uh, so the cost of to create a website to run the website is just with a cost of around $10 in a year. Compared to any other platforms, maybe blog, WordPress.com, this is the cheap option you can go with. And uh, the layout is there. And, and layout, there is sidebar, top sidebar and sidebar bottom, top search and header, subscription, page list, ads, and page body. So you can add different widgets to your designs. It's like widget based designs. The art widgets there, you can add AdSense blogs or blog search, or you can add any HTML widgets, etc. So this is a way you can add Wikipedia things and all the contact form, etc. in this using the layout designs. So uh, usually it's very simple to add. Okay, and another thing is like posters and pages. You have to understand the difference. Pages usually used to create static pages like about us and contact us, and posts is a blog post. Usually if you are a travel vlogger or a food vlogger, then you can add different posts in a consecutive days. Then it will add that content and data to the systems. So pages, here's a click in the left pages, then you click on the new page. It will create a page options. You can add uh, a title there. You can add content, photos, etc. And there are options on right side. You can allow the comments, etc. Page. Then there is option to publish and publish. So it will publish the content there. The same way, there is a post. Say post is the backbone of a blog website, I believe. If you are a blogger, travel blogger, then you can add the photos and content in a regular intervals. That would be great for your website. In the post too, you can add titles and add content here. Also you can publish the data. And permalink, you can add the you can add options to custom permalink. In as a default, you can see something like that. Here is the date is adding to the permalinks. Instead of that, you can create custom permalink. That's best for SEOs, I believe. And you can add a preview tools to preview and publish tool to publish. Another is like stats will give you idea how many visits and how many follows you have. And earnings using this platform. You can connect your AdSense account to connect, and you can create you can make money when you get more views. It will give you some AdSense revenue using Google's ads program. So this very simple way to create a website without much spending money. In general, maybe it will cost around $10 for a year. And time you can create, and you don't worry about hosting all the things, because it's all things are hosted in Google. So You can create, you can build a websites in a blog websites in a easy way. If you have any doubts, you can comment over the below the video. Thank you for watching videos.